Finally got in about 11 o'clock in the night. It was freezing, and this is what we got last night. Thunder Bay is about 300 kilometers from here, so it shouldn't be a big half ride, but I have to finish it because I had to cross the border into US. This is the tough part, getting everything ready in the morning. Well, it's been a good ride so far, except that it gets cold in the night. So you see a lot of signs of elk and caribou and bears. I did spot a bear, but unfortunately my camera was not on at the point. It was a baby bear, ran across the road. Hi guys, hope you're well and safe. So as part of the ride to Thunder Bay, stopped by Aguasabon Falls. It's actually a gorge, nature's gorge. Millions of years ago, this was a volcanic spot, and now it's natural waterfalls that go into Lake Superior. This is also a treasured asset because Ontario Power Generation uses it as a turbine, and there's a dam up in the front. So it's not just beautiful, but they use it for generating energy. Hey guys, I'm at the lighthouse by Terrace Bay, and I'm going to go Aguasabon Falls and by Lake Superior. So let's go. Lake Superior, the largest sweetwater lake in the world. That's Lake Superior, and that's Aguasabon Falls, going to the gorge. Oh, beautiful. This was built in 1948, probably. Big gorge. The water goes right into the Lake Superior. Kind of reinforces, how beautiful this earth is. We live in urban life. But this is real. This is real stuff. Urban life is concrete jungle, plastic society. This is real stuff. This is where you connect. This is where you belong. This is who you are as human beings. Then food. House spot. Sun's lighting up the gorge and all the water going down to the lake. Let's see what more surprises out there all the way to Thunder Bay. Let's continue riding, have some fun. If you like watching Riding with Cash, hit subscribe and join me on the next ride.